What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the game handle on Netflix on your TV. So to do that, just simply go ahead and click to your profile on the upper left, and you will see an option at the top that says Switch Profiles. You click on that. This will take you to the profiles, and you just need to select the profile that you wish to change the handles for. So let's say I want to do it for this main one here at the top. Then I'm going to click towards the left where I have the pencil icon, then click on that. Here you will find game handle in the list. You just want to click on that, and you can see that you have the handles right here. So you can do whatever you want, right? You say this is unique to how you will appear to others on Netflix games, right? Across Netflix games, right? So you can go ahead and change it to whatever you want. So let's say I want to generate a new one. I can go down to the bottom and click get a new suggestion, and it's going to generate for me. You can see that it creates a new one, and I can just keep that. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue. That new one that I recommend, or you can type whatever I want and just click on done. And that's how you do it, guys. So if you're looking for how to change the game handle on Netflix, this is actually how you do it, guys. Once you're done, click on done at the bottom, and that's it. You can go back to your profile, and that's it, guys.